I'm so bored. Wait, is the news about art? Maybe I should watch it.
Hi everyone, today I giving all off my art and is for free. And all of you should love it and can post on your wall too.
Wait, is this real? Maybe I will go to. And is so pretty. Well, let's go. Wow, they are so pretty. And they are free as well. I never see that art before. Hi, can I have this tiny Halloween cat? It's so cute.
Yes, you can. Here, take it.
Where should I put? Aha, I think that will be nice to put. Let's put. I love this art, it's my favorite.